Hey there!
Hey there.
So, hope all of you are doing well, and today we are going to be doing something interesting. Most of us grew up in the 90s and the 2000s for the most part, didn't we?
I definitely grew up in 90s.
I grew up in the 2000s for the most part. So, there are certain iconic snacks which we probably haven't been eating for the past 10-15 years now. Yeah, it's been a while since we had the selection that I have in front of us, and we thought it would be a nice time for us to try our childhood snacks. What do you say, Vishal? You like these snacks that I'm talking about? I mean, you see them.
I love them. I'm
But
also hungry, so let's get started.
so how long has it been since you have had many of these? It's been a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, quite some time. Maybe last I would have had it maybe when I was 2011 12 when I
Oh,
was in college.
so that's still 10 years back.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's been 10 years, and for me, I think I've had some of these recently when I've come across them, but I think out of the 10, 11 stuff that we have today, I've had like one of them in the past 10 years. So definitely something that is going to trigger a whole lot of nostalgia, for that's for sure. So going ahead, the first one is Little Hearts.
lots.
So how many times have like you remember having Little Hearts on school picnics and stuff like that?
Not school picnic. I used to have it at least once in a week. There used to be a bakery near my old house where I used to go down and get a pack of these. Back then it was like 5 or 10 rupees per packet.
Oh, this one's 20. So I mean
Inflation.
the quantity is pretty good though. I think this used to be $10 and now it is 20. As you can see, they're so cute and they're filled with sugar. Take one.
I'll take two.
Oh, the same taste.
Yeah, taste is consistent. There is no change over the years.
Definitely.
This is one of the things which is loved in India as well as across. A lot of people like the taste. Probably, if you guys have seen those videos where foreigners try Indian snacks, this is probably one of those, the
Most
sweet
loved.
items which a lot of people like and they keep eating very often.
Yeah.
So,
So this is definitely one. The next
bar one.
we have bar one. This was so hard to find. I know we cannot put in a whole lot of things together, but I wish I had more things. But then there are things that are not available anymore. I mean, I used to love Cadbury Bites, but that isn't available anymore. So we have bar one right now. So let me just open that up.
There was a stage in my life where I used to eat a bar one every day, almost for a whole month. Then I kind of lost the taste bud for it, and then I got a halt. But whenever I feel like indulging in something very sweet, is one of those.
Okay, I know this is a little limp and it is not in a good condition, but this was the only one I could find. So here you go.
Bringing back memories. I want more.
You can have it later.
What?
Fine, take.
It should have been a little more solid than
Yeah,
probably the crunch and that
let's
texture
just
would have been
finish it.
different.
I got a small one anyway. For me, I mean, I never really used to eat bar one. This is here because it is one of Vishal's beloved chocolates slash candy bars.
So this is that if somebody who doesn't like the sweetness of 5 star a lot,
Yeah.
then something a little more, not too sweet. If you want to have that chocolate is bother for sure.
This is really sweet for me personally because I don't really enjoy such sweet snacks.
I love almost everything sweet.
It's sticking so badly. Next we have Peppy cheese balls. I mean, this is iconic. I can literally remember the fake cheese smell I mean, this was one of the first cheese snacks that I had. So, I mean, that quantity has not decreased, and this whole bag was like 30 rupees, which is like very nice. So, there you go. These are the, I mean, the cheese smell is so iconic, isn't it? Yeah.
This whole brand, which is Peppy, which we have, like, which is Peppy, those wheels and cheese balls and picnic, every thing that they amount was really a very good, enjoyable taste. The quantity is always good, and probably if you're going out for a picnic or something where you want something lighter than a chip, but which has that same savory flavor, then this is what is the best thing to carry.
I feel this is like the best movie snack also.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, this whole bag will at least last you till the interval, and if you have another bag of another peppy stuff, it will last you till the end of the movie.
That is if you're eating it alone, or if you're
not with Vishal,
or if you're not like somebody like me. I will probably finish it before the intro.
Yeah, so this is definitely one thing that I absolutely love, and I was craving this. It's been years since I've had this.
We've had other alternative cheese balls,
but nothing measures up to this, no? Oh my god, I love this so much. So the next iconic biscuit is the milk bikkies. You had these cream milk bikkies and then you had the normal milk bikkies. Nobody really gave a damn about the normal milk bikkies. Everybody went, like, if your tiffin box in your school had these milk bikkies, I will assure you, people will go crazy over it. They will definitely. I mean, I had my. I actually took. You used to get these really tiny packets of this. You remember? I think 5 rupees or something like that.
I've never tried. I have always tried it in this size.
Oh.
I've never seen tiny packets. I've only seen the ones which are the non-cream milk.
No, even this you used to get before. So I used to. My mom used to buy those so that I can take it for a snack. And because I mean, I had a thing wherein I couldn't eat biscuits which were soft. So my mom used to buy those individual packets, and man oh man, I've gotten those stolen so many times. So here we have a smiley, probably. I don't know. So here you go.
OG Oreo from India.
Yeah, this is OG Oreo.
I would like Oreo. Twist.
Yeah, it tastes the same.
The cream out of it. What?
It's a wonder that the taste didn't change. Because most of the time what happens, these brands just tend to change ingredients and the taste changes. So I don't think so the taste has changed at all. It reminds me of the same milk bikkies when I was young. Pretty nice. Saying nice, I have nice. I used to hate these, by the way.
I used to like, because me being somebody who likes coconut and sugar a lot, I used to love this.
I like the coconut. Oh, the iconic nice biscuits with sugar on top. Nice and sugary. I don't know, I don't really like such sugary snacks, to be honest. Is it nice? So I'm one of those people who doesn't like Bounty also. So this reminds me quite a lot of that Bounty ka taste.
Coconut. I love coconut. I used to eat just coconut and what's that called? Jaggery. Back in during our summer holidays, during school, when there was nothing at home, jaggery and coconut is almost available in each and every Indian household.
Yeah.
So it's easily available. South Indian household. So given that if there was nothing available at home and we wanted to eat something really interesting, then that was basically we used to open up the coconut cut
Put
out
jaggery in
jaggery.
it.
No, put nothing. We used to bite a piece of
Coconut
coconut,
and
bite
bite
a piece
jaggery.
of jaggery.
Oh,
That's
okay.
it.
So the next iconic peppy snack, the tomato disc. Unfortunately, I couldn't find picnic though. So that's like a bad luck. But definitely, we'll be doing another part to this. We will be on the lookout for products that are from the 90s era, and then that's something that's like, oh man, this is also like completely full. Like लेस वेस को छोड़ो, इसमें हवा नहीं, सब प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा है बेसिकली. No, nothing can beat this.
Fine.
Nothing can beat this. Man, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble.
What?
I want to eat this whole bag. I'm definitely in trouble.
Eat. Who's gonna stop?
This is a little saltier than I remember though, isn't it? Yeah.
It's not saltier, it's the same thing. The reason being, we just had those sweet biscuits and everything. If we were only having savory items, then probably the actual taste would have come in.
But man, this is so good. Oh my god. If we were in school, I would fight you for this. I think it's the time we cleanse our palate, we need something to drink, right? Mango fruity, fresh and juicy. So, yeah. Fruity was iconic. I remember those triangular packs we used to get. You know, school.
2 rupees 50 paisa.
Yeah. I remember this like school picnic. We like they used to put us all like in a line, and they used to hand over one dabba with snacks for the day. So it would be like I mean that would definitely have fruity in it. But I remember there were always two types of kids: fruity and happy.
If
Right?
we have any viewers who are below 21 years, understand that at one point of time, we even had a currency called paisa, which we don't have right now.
To be honest, I don't remember paisa.
This particular carton, probably you would have gotten it for $5 or
Now
less.
it's 10. Now it's 10. So yeah, this is one of those iconic drinks that every Indian kid would have enjoyed. Did you just finish the whole thing?
Yes.
Oh my
Comment
God.
down below whoever used to do this, okay? Once you're done with your fruity, open up the flaps, fill it up with air, and then you just
Oh my
stamp
God.
on it, and there's like a big blast kind of sound which
You
comes.
were one of those kids?
Yes, I am definitely one of those kids.
I used to be one of those kids who used to get scared because of that. So you were the one. Please don't do that today.
I used to love doing that.
I'm gonna save mine for later when I get a little more thirsty too. Do you remember this, Vishal?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Fair warning. I've had this even in like past, I think 6 months ago or something. So
I had it 1 week back.
oh, okay. This is one of those products that has been iconic throughout. But
It's
of course,
been available in the market
Yeah.
forever. There was never a time where it was out of stock or low on production
Yeah.
or anything. Because Dairy Milk has been there for.
it's iconic.
I hope you guys have seen the the new Dairy Milk ad.
Oh my
as
god,
well.
that's so nice. Like they just misogyny. We don't know her. That's what happened. Like the patriarchy, all that. These ads also were so iconic. I remember Little Hearts ads also that used to play in the between matches and stuff like that. And Milk Bikis, wherein like they used to pour the glass of milk into the Milk Bikki packet and the biscuits used to form. Those ads were iconic. Okay, let me just break this. Here you go. So we have the Dairy Milk. I mean, yeah, this we know the taste of. We love the taste of. Okay. By the way, I am the one who breaks things into squares and eats. He's the one who just puts it all together in. So, I mean, this has happened quite a few times actually.
I am a very fast eater. To be specific, Rashmi takes a lot of time to eat.
No, I'm not a slow eater. I take my time.
Compared to me, it is slow.
Yeah.
Because I tend to finish up my food real fast and then move on to other stuff. But Rashmi, on the other hand, takes.
I like to relish my food.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. I like to relish my food. We have one thing that I remember the ad, like it's imprinted on my brain for this. You remember the school locker room ad for this? We should look it up. Did you just drop that?
Yes. I just do some air into it and.
Just don't. This is actually a much bigger pack than I remember. I think I bought the bigger pack. You know?
Yeah.
This is a bigger
There
pack.
used to be the one which used to look similar to the McVitie's pack which we had, but a little smaller.
Yeah.
It was more of a cylinder rather than
Yeah, this
these
has
two rows.
This has 2 rows.
It was a single row thing.
Oh.
The one with the
jam.
jelly and jam.
The jam and sugar in between. I mean, honestly, I don't know why I never gravitated towards these kind of biscuits and sweet snacks, because my childhood was filled with savory snacks for all I could remember. Raspberry. I first came to know about raspberry flavor because of Jim Jam, and I mean, I liked the flavor. I didn't like the sweetness though. But later on, once I started eating more raspberry flavored stuff, that's when okay, raspberry flavored stuff is usually sweet and real raspberry isn't. That's what I found out. It's not as sweet, to be honest.
It's okay.
This is not as
See,
sweet.
the thing about biscuits back then was they were not way too sweet. They were just the right balance. They were sugary though. They were sugary but never too sweet. That's one thing.
Yeah, this is not too sweet, but I can definitely go for a savory snack right now.
Cheetos,
Pokemon, that's the only reason I used to buy these.
Tazos.
Jenga cards, Tazos. There's so many things that we used to get. I mean, I think Cheetos stuff business in the 2000s was just because of Pokemon and the Jenga cards and the Tazos. As you can see, I mean, again, the quantity is pretty good. This was a $10 pack.
Yeah.
The quantity
Is it still $10?
Yeah, it's still 10 rupees.
Good consistency.
Like, this thing is filled, if I'm not wrong. See? How
Yeah.
much? So, yeah, this is... I mean, you never pick out one Cheeto. That's like a crime, isn't it?
How many of you used to literally dig your hand into the Cheetos just to pick out the Tazo first?
I used to first thing you open a Cheeto bag, you don't take out and start eating. You first dig into it, try taking out the Tazo, see which Pokemon you got, and then eat the packet.
The Tazo is also not out in the open. There is again
It's a cover.
It's in a plastic cover.
Yeah.
You open it and then you go ahead and utilize it. How many of you had a Mewtwo Tazo at one point of time? Because that was super rare. I had to trade in probably 4 Charizard Tazos for one Mewtwo.
I had 2 Mewtwo Tazos.
I never got it at least until 3 months of the launch. So there was this thing, okay. I don't know how true it was or how it wasn't, but whenever there is a store in Himayatnagar where my friends used to say that, okay, if you buy in this store, all the rare Pokemon, that is basically like Mewtwo and Mew and all those kind of Pokemon will come in if you buy from there. And what I used to basically do, I used to ask these guys to buy from there when they used to go there to their aunt's place or uncle's place, and I asked to get them so that later on I can exchange them with other Pokemon Tazos.
Yeah, I mean, Tazos and Jenga cards actually. I used to, you could make structures using that Jenga cards, right? I used
But
to.
Tazos was fun because you hold one and you release it. It's like a
Yeah,
slingshot.
yeah. And now we have Polo.
Mint with a hole. Does it still have the same tagline?
Yes, the mint with the hole. So there are, I don't know, like, we used to get the, the holes also separately at that point of time, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, there is some stories also, micro stories or tales inside. So this one says, I can never cook. He sat sulking next to his burnt chapati. We'll use this as a coaster beta. His mom loves. Cooking sessions with mom made good stories. Remind something, Vishal? Does that remind you of something, Vishal?
Burnt Maggie.
Vishal burnt Maggie once.
I basically put Maggie on the stove and I came to my room and I slept. And later on,
Burnt.
when my mom was coming back from office, she found the whole thing burnt and like smoke was coming out of the kitchen. So, yeah, that is what happened.
So, yeah. The standard Polo. How many of you bite into your Polo?
I do, but not immediately.
I do immediately for some reason. I used to really love the texture of the Polo. See, now I'm biting into it. It's already done nearly for me. I really like it that way. I just bite into my Polo and I just love chewing on it. I mean, that's a kind of a bad thing because I used to go through the whole tube very fast. But
Mint is anything which is minty. That is one thing which I don't bite into immediately.
Yeah.
I take time and slowly let the juices flow
Process.
into it. Later on, when it becomes like that really thin structure, then I usually go ahead and bite into it and get done with it.
so we are on our final product, and I used to eat boxes and boxes of this thing. Nutties. This is an iconic. So Nutties weren't available for the longest in between, and then suddenly they were back in the market, and nobody was more happier than I was because Nutties was one of those snacks which was indulgent at the same time affordable. And we used to get big boxes of the stuff too. And now for $40 you get like a few of these. But
Nutties
still,
was more like a,
once in a while indulgence for me.
no, it was like a gold standard kind of
Yeah.
chocolate which was made in India.
Yeah.
Because if you guys have your cousins or relatives who basically stay outside India, maybe in Singapore or US or
Dubai
Australia
or
or
stuff.
anywhere, so they bring those chocolates like Ferrero Rocher or anything like that. So I remember there used to be something similar to this.
Yeah. Yeah,
It
into-
basically used to be it was coated almonds to be more specific. So somewhere close to that, if you want something that is made in India, which is local.
And you could
And-
afford on your pocket money.
Yes,
That
is
was the main
Nutties.
point. Here you go. Oh, I got one. The nut definitely is present, but there's this caramel coating on top of the nut that makes the difference.
I have this habit where I basically put the chocolate in my mouth.
Let it melt.
No, I scrape off the chocolate layer with my bottom, teeth, and then I'm only left out with the peanut at the end.
No, it's not peanut, it's cashews if I'm not wrong.
Is it?
Yeah, it's cashews. It's cashew nuts.
Okay, cashew nut. My bad.
Mm.
So yeah, cashew. I eat the cashew at the last once the whole layer of chocolate is like wiped clean out of it. Probably something
Very
weird,
nice.
but yeah, that's something which I've always liked to do.
I've had my share to eat first. I mean, this chocolate thing is unbearably good, to be honest.
That's the thing with Cadbury, the brand itself. Almost every chocolate which they make, they have that kind of a melty consistency, right? So that many people love it. Like, let it be this or your fruit and nut crackle, the new silk and everything, and almost everything just like melts in an instant, and everybody loves that taste for some or the other. I really don't think there are many haters of that particular taste because it's very standard. But until somebody doesn't like sweets at all, then
If you don't like milk chocolate, you probably won't like this, because all of this is milk chocolate basically. So yeah. Okay. No, I'm done. So so this was a really nice taste session. I mean, so many memories came back to me, and yeah, this is nice. I really like the tasting that we had today, and we have snacks for the next couple of days now. So so this is good, and hope you guys got reminded of some of your school time stories, or some event that happened like when you were growing up. Let us know your story down in the comment, and this is something that we want to open up. We want to have that interactive session with our subscribers and our viewers. If you have any story or any of these products reminded you of something that was like which was a standout in your childhood, do let us know. And you want to say goodbye, Vishal?
yes,
Oh, stop it.
buy a fruity, do this and blast it.
Okay then, guys, thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.